We've been practicing for 1 month with, even in our tune-up games, Sol wasn't playing with us because we had to get used to not playing with Sol for this game. But basically, I think it's hard work and teamwork that brought us to today's game. JR, if he plays like that throughout the conference, another double-double performance, I think we can go far, especially the adjustment period of the change of calls. I think it can work for us, or it also can, I think we're able to adjust early. Concerning sa Barapa, I think it's basically adjustment to the new system that they're running, but they're very strong team also. We just came in, I think, with more, adjusted more to the calls. Well, what we did in practice is we focused more on defense, especially with the hand check rule. Meron kami mga punishments. If you, let's say, in practice, you put down your hand, we put some punishment to that. But the thing that I'm really worried about this team is the free throw shooting, because I think we were one of the worst free throw shooting team. We could have been up by 20 by halftime if we made our foul shot. So basically, that's one key that we're trying to work on, but it's all mental. But for our first game, I think this is a very, we played great. We can be better if Sol is there, because I think Sol will fit with the hand check rules. He's a very good defensive player and he's a very strong player, so you'll see more from us. Well, if you look at Charles now and 2 years ago when he was our first team point, he lost more than 35 pounds, I think. So he's more mobile now. The thing that he brings to us is he just works hard every day in practice. He can shoot, he can post up. The only thing that we're trying to work in more is on the rebounding side, which he did, I think, a good job today with 13 rebounds. So he occupies the space that we need. Thank you.